Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm just going to talk about self-trust, and this is something that I'm just getting off my head. In so many ways, we expect others and a lot from others, but we do not give ourselves the best. We do not trust in ourselves being the best to ourselves. So I'm just going to share with you a few ways you can really rebuild your self-trust with yourself, and then it's going to make you a little bit or more independent and get more trust in yourself. Okay, so first of all, I had to look at myself and looked at how often I say and set goals to myself that I want to achieve and I end up not doing them. I trust myself that I'm going to do this and I just don't come through with it. I trust myself that I want to do these nice things, or I go to these nice places, but I just don't end up doing them. Those are disappointments to myself, but I will expect other people not to disappoint me, yet I am consistently disappointing myself. And this is one thing that I had to learn and rebuild my self-trust. Trusting myself to give myself the best and everything that I wanted. I learned that whatever I was expecting from other people, realistically, I can do it for myself. I was over expecting because I was giving them that. So the best thing is trust yourself to give yourself that. And guess what? Rebuilding the trust within myself to do the things that I was asking from other people changed everything for me. It made it something very, very different, that I am proud of myself and I'm loving myself, and not everyone is happy, but that means you're always doing something right. When not everyone is happy, you are doing something right. So this is how I really did build myself, my self-trust. First of all, I keep my word. If I promise myself that I'm going to do this, I make sure I consistently keep my word. And please, if you've not yet subscribed, you can do that. If you've been here longer, just turn on your notifications or give me a thumbs up. I consistently keep my word. You get, if I say I'm going to eat this, I'm going to eat healthy, I'm going to make sure I eat healthy. When I say I'm going to wake up early and I have to make a video every morning when I wake up for my business, because this is something that I've done for 3 years, but I'm just not consistent because I'm not coming through for myself always. I'll fall off track because I just kind of ran out of time. What was I doing? Anything else, anything for everyone else but myself and the things that I was prioritizing. So I made sure I keep my words and I am not disappointing myself again. You get? So with that, it made me put myself first. I became a priority. I make sure that the things that I say I'm going to do this, I am doing them for me, and I'm making sure they're done at all cost. You get? Then I also started being kind to myself. Like, we are kind to other people. We show a lot of kindness. I'm an empath, so kindness is always something that I have to give. But I was like, I need to stop giving this out because I'm expecting others to give it to me, but I am not being nice and kind enough to myself to give myself the things that I desire and need. So I gave myself more kindness as I give it outside, but I have to give it to myself. So I became more kind to myself. I give myself grace when things don't go the way I expect them to. I don't just give up. I give myself grace and keep on doing it. Keep on trying, expecting for a better tomorrow. That is something that I have mastered, because I noticed I give everyone grace for all their imperfections and anything else but myself. So give yourself grace as much as you want to help you build your self-trust in you. Okay? And then I spend a lot of time by myself. Anyway, that one is a no-brainer because I'm always spending a lot of time by myself. But with intentions behind it. Spend a lot of time by yourself with intentions behind it. You get, you're not just laying down and doing nothing. Clarity on what you want to do, what you do with yourself. You're possibly planning, you're doing things on your own. Like I cut off, I used to have calls, and when I started evaluating, I'm like, what are these calls? What are we discussing? What are we really doing? What am I doing on phone? Instead of doing the things that I enjoy, I do it once in a while, and I will have those calls and talks and do whatever I want. For the time being, I'm spending a lot of more time on myself. I also learned to pour into me. I'm pouring consistently into me. I am watering my grass, and guess what? It has improved my self-trust. Because I believe that whatever I'm doing is for the best good of me, not anyone else, not pleasing anyone, not doing it for anyone else but myself. So I'm pouring into me with a lot of grace, with a lot of kindness, with a lot of love. Lord Jesus, this is one of my happiest things that I've chosen to do, and I'm finding a lot of happiness within because I'm doing the things for myself, and it has helped me lower my expectations of others. If you don't show up with me, for me, it's okay, because there is a time I felt a certain type of way because a friend forgot my birthday. I'm like, it's a friend. You get, she does not always celebrate my birthday, but she did forget me. The only hurting bit was like I was with her and we were days apart, and she was celebrating someone else's birthday. And I'm like, dang, and she's always celebrating everyone's birthday. But I'm like, when it comes to my day, even on my birthday exact day, I try to text her and then remind her and try to have a little chill talk. And even if you forgot, Facebook will remind you. We are Facebook friends. So I was like, I know how that works. But you intentionally forgot, or realistically, I'm just not a priority, or I'm over expecting. So I let go of that, and then I was able to put on my grown girl panties, and I was like, okay, that's okay. I never reminded her. I just kept it moving. I kept it pushing. But I was like, okay, that's something new. So it lowered my expectations of people, that I'm not getting disappointed, because I know I can give myself the things that I expect from others. Yes, I decided on the deeper purpose of why I'm being me, why I need to trust myself, why I need to do the things that I want to do. My intentions are very, very clear with myself, where I want to see myself, how I'm getting there. If it's not going to be a straight road, but I'm getting there. One way or the other, I am getting there. If things are not going exactly, I'm giving myself grace, I'm giving me patience, I'm trying again, and I am continuing. Consistently continuing. So the deeper purpose of as to why I need to trust myself and why I'm going and what I'm doing, dang, I'm loving it, and I am moving. Okay? The expectations are out of the way, you get? I'm just loving myself correctly. The way, everything that I expect from others, to be treated like a goddess, to be treated like the queen I am, everything. And I noticed I just lost myself, because I'm a one-woman army all the time. I have been on my feet for myself, by myself, and I've never been the person to expect others to come through for me. Not even family, because, oh, they never will. I'm like, I've always been the one to know that I have to come through for others, but I don't really expect them to come through for me, you get? So along the way, I did kind of lose myself, because I got comfortable to a level I thought that you can meet people, love them correctly, trust them enough, and they can have always good intentions for you, which I was wrong. I had to love me correctly and have my intentions very good, and they either fit in or fit out. So that was the mistake that I was doing. So I was like, I need to go back to my default settings, and the person that I am is I do it for myself. If you want, you can support. If you don't, it's fine. I'm catered for, I'm sorted regardless, and I can still move on. and we can still do things together or not, you get. And then spending time alone, I realized that I really don't need people. Yes, I didn't need people, because I was needing people for the same things. I'm needing people to speak with, speak to, show love, share with. I can share with myself. I enjoy my own company. I can do things for myself, and anything from outside me is a bonus. So I noticed that I didn't need people to know that I'm loved. I didn't need people to know that I'm basically a loner most of the times. But these had to come through for the people that were very close to me in my inner circle, because that's where I was getting the conflicting persona of me, the conflicting side of me. That's where I was always conflicted. Being an empath, it's kind of different, you get. It's kind of different. So it also made me know, and I'm always trying to protect my peace and over anything and anyone. So I'm protecting my peace, and then my self-trust has led me to set more boundaries into who can access me, who can't. Yes, I'm that one person that will be in a crowd, but not everyone can walk up to me and access me. It used to be like that, and that's what I've always been. You get? So I thought like letting in more people and trying to be a little bit open and honest with them and sharing with them would let people come in and appreciate the kind of person you are. In other words, it just creates familiarity. People just keep on breaking the boundaries. They thought they'll never get to you. Now they have access to you, and they think everything is just, they can just walk on and be whatever they want to be. So trusting myself that I got me, and if not, God got me, helped me move myself, and I've rebuilt myself, and I'm loving the kind of person I am. I'm loving how I feel about myself. I'm loving the love I'm giving to myself, the trust I'm having in my intuitions, in my actions, in the things that I believe in the person I am, where I am going. It is unmeasurable. And so far, I feel happy and blessed. Happy and blessed, because I'm just in so much trust with me. So I hope you can equally rebuild your self-trust and give yourself all the things that you expected from others, all the things that people are disappointing you over, all the things that you want, all the things that you give. Give you the best version of yourself that you think you give to others. Give that best version of yourself to yourself. Trust me, you'll never go wrong. That best version of yourself, give it to yourself. Okay? Alright? So if you're still here, please subscribe to our channel and give me a thumbs up. And please, I hope this helped you. You can too build more trust. You can rebuild it if you lost it in yourself, and the sky is the limit for you. Okay? Shalom. Bye-bye. Love you guys.